Okay, you definitely know how these things sound at 60. So what I'll do is demo them at like faster speeds. So what I mentioned with number one is go from 60 to 120 in tens, and then go up by fives after that, and see how that goes. Because I don't want you to have to spend more than 10 minutes on any one of these. Number two, because you didn't do that on Skype today, I still want you to start by going up in fives. If you get past 120 your first session, then go ahead and on session two, go from 60 to 120 in tens, and then continue going up in fives after that. If you hit 240 on number one or number two, send a video of you doing that if you can. Skype allows you to make video messages. You could do it that way. Just whatever works for you would be awesome. And then with 3 and 4, like I mentioned, if by the next couple days you're hitting 120 easily, let me know that. If you never get to 120 with either 3 or 4, no big deal. Just get where you can with it. But like 5 to 10 minutes on numbers 3 and number 4 would also be fine. They're pretty similar, so I think that would be plenty of time. So even if you did like 5 minutes and then called it, that's okay. For 5 minutes on 3, then 5 minutes on 4. And then for number 5, just the abbreviated thing with the diminished arpeggios. Just run through it a few times a day. Like start practice with that would be good. Run up and down the scale or scales that you do have in memorized, just so you keep them fresh. And yeah, so let's demo number 1 at 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 2. Let's go ahead and start this at 60 because we didn't do that together yet. Alright, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and now number 3. Alright, so just a reminder on the fingering here. When you change from the C chord to the E minor over B, index finger stays put. You move the ring finger by going same fret. You just move it from the A string to the E string, and then you put your pinky where the ring finger just was. So ring finger goes down to the E string, pinky goes right where the ring finger was, and then for the A5 you just switch where your fingers are, and then going back to the C, index finger stays down, ring finger comes up to the A string, same fret, and pinky down there. Alright, 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And the 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Done. Number 4. 60. Wait before I play. Alright, so similar thing here. The index finger stays put when going from the A minor to the C over G. And now the middle finger will stay on the same fret but go from the A string down to the E string, and then ring finger goes to where the middle finger just was. So index finger stays still, middle finger goes to the E string, and then get your ring finger down. When changing from this chord to the F5, your ring finger stays down as you go between those two. And then going back to the A minor, again, index finger stays down, middle finger will go from the E string back to the A string, same fret, and then pinky goes down. Alright, 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Done. And the 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Done. Alright. Bonus note there. Okay. I think that covers everything. But if any questions come up, let me know. And I'll see you again next week.